Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected on last Friday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opening at 482. We expected copper to stay in buying, maintaining 475 stop loss. So slowly, steadily, the price tried to move up, but found resistance around the 482, and it came down and broke 480 and triggered the stop, and finally closed near 473.70. Today expected open somewhere near 472. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. Let's give the final try on the buying side. We know that it's hard, that the price lost everything whatever it had gained, and today you can go for buying by placing stop loss near 470.5. even if the price is triggering the stop loss, and wait, and if the price is trying to move above 73 or 72, you can go for buying again. So if the price is dropping continuously below 470, we need to go for a market watch, and then we will take a trading decision. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.